Go playing. So this is like the Valentine's Day snowstorm. Well, almost. Yeah, actually it really didn't come in until after midnight.
Yeah. Okay.
Valentine's Day snowstorm of 2014. I had a snow blowout, 2 feet of snow, or almost 2 feet of snow, so that these two can go to the bathroom. My deer, my target, up there, like, I can't even focus on it. And it's still snowing at 6 something in the morning here.
Okay, done.
The roof on my shed over there. I haven't measured it yet, but I think that we probably got 18 inches of snow since yesterday. Oh, hold on, I'm zooming in here. Hey! I just got done snow blowing all that area out. Don't go filling it up with snow again. Holy cow. It's like a winter wonderland here. Oh, you should have seen this at 2 o'clock in the morning when I came down here. I could barely see the trees in the backyard. Alright, so the snow, you gotta pee on everything. The snow is just about as high as Hawkeye. And of course, I mean, that was the top of the snow blower, which of course he's being a... So there's the top of the snow blower right there at the edge of the snow.
Did you miss that?
Yeah.
It came right there.
Hawkeye, go play. Go on, go play. He loves the snow. Go on, give it a try, I dare you. Go on.
Go get it.
Go get it.
Go.
Go, squirrel. Do that again, I dare you. He didn't stand there very long, did he?
Go get it. There's nothing there. What's there?
It's like he could be swimming in this.
I think that's what he's trying to do.
Wow.
Priceless.
Did you just learn a lesson there? Don't jump into snow piles. Still trying. Such a dork. Aww. Big guy likes playing in the snow, but he's not as playful. Oh, look at him. Look at him. What's he doing? He's like, I can play too. He's eating the corners of the pile there. Honey.
He's just sticking his head in, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. I think overall we've got 18 inches of snow since yesterday. I'll measure it later. The amount of snow on the hot tub over there.
He has to jump.
Yeah. The amount of snow in the hot tub over there was 6 inches yesterday. And of course the picnic table, I cannot even tell where the picnic table starts and ends there. That's amazing. I don't think I've ever seen that much snow at once on top of the hot tub.
No.
Amazing. Alright, so I'm going to stop videoing for now so I can do a little bit more snow blowing, even though now there's not such a need to, since the campus decided to close at the last minute. I get a little bit more snow blowing done, and then I'll save it for another hour or so that I don't wake up all the neighbors. Wow, this is awesome.